Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Like today the date is 18 May 2020, and as you know that on 28th May your English test is there and we have to revise for that test. Okay, so today we are going to revise our chapter first day at school, which will come in your test. Okay, so firstly we'll recite this poem, and to learn this poem, the best method is to sing this poem, to recite this poem. This is the best method to learn. Okay, so firstly we'll recite. Okay, then we'll start learning difficult words and word meanings. Okay, so repeat with me, try to learn this. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they'll like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Easy? So, what is the poem about? I told you that this is the poem of a boy, of a school boy who is going to his new school for the very first day, and he is wondering about so many things. Okay, firstly, he is thinking that his drawing will be as good as his classmates or not. Okay, second thing which he is thinking that his classmates will like him or not, or just be full of stares, means his classmates will just stare him or like him. ठीक है, या उसे पसंद करेंगे या उसे सिर्फ घूरेंगे. Next, he is thinking about his teacher, how his teacher will be. His teacher will be like his mom, means mother, or his grandmother. And he's just thinking that his puppy will wonder where he is. Now he is in school. What his puppy is thinking, what his puppy is wondering, that where is the boy? But the boy is in the school. So this boy is going to the very first day of his new school, and he's thinking, he's wondering about so many things that I told you, and we have to learn this poem. Okay, now I am going to ask you some questions in between the poem only. Okay, firstly, what do you wear to uniform? What do you wear to school? What do you wear to school? See this boy and tell, what do you wear to school? Wear, पहनना. We wear school uniform. See, this is the uniform of this boy, na? So we wear school uniform. Easy. Who wrote the poem First Day at School? Alan Fisher. AILEEN. Alan Fisher. Fisher. FISH. Fish. ER. Alan Fisher. Okay, who wrote this poem? Alan Fisher wrote the poem First Day at School. I hope this is clear. Now, see, this boy is hanging one bag, one school bag. So, from this I am asking one question. What do you carry in your school bag? What do you carry in your school bag? Is there anything which you can carry in your school bag? Yes. What is that? What is that things? Like lunch box, water bottle, books, notebooks, eraser, sharpener, pencil, drawing notebook. So this you can carry in your bag, na? So this is the answer of this question. What do you carry in your school bag? I hope this is clear. Next we are going to revise difficult words. Okay, first word is wonder. 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 Okay, wonder means desire to know something. Desire, DESIRE. To know, 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 जानना, कुछ जानने की इच्छा. Desire to know something. Next, drawing, DRAWING. Drawing means a picture made with a pencil. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. Next, pencil, P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Okay. Next, stairs, S-T-A-R-E-S. Stairs means to look someone for a long time. To look somebody continuously means घूरना. Next, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Everyone knows. Next, mom, M-O-M, mom. Mom means mother. G-R-A-N, grand. Grand means grandmother. G-R-A-N-D, grand. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother, grandmother. Next, puppy, P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy means a baby dog.